Dart is a scalable language that you can use to write simple scripts or full-featured applications. Whether you are creating a mobile application, web application, command line scripts, or the server-side application, there is always a Dart solution for that. Dart is created by Google, which leaves us with no doubt that Dart has excellent scope in the future, as the name Google itself creates a vibe of trust towards the language. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the course of Learn Dart Programming. We are Team Hashcoding with decades of experience in mobile and web application frameworks. So here I present before you the course where you will learn all the fundamentals of Dart programming language and use it in your own applications. Keeping in mind the beginners, the course has been divided into 12 sections, each comprising of multiple videos and quizzes. In the first 2 sections, you will install the required software and get introduced to Dart, and thus write your first program in Dart. Proceeding in sections 3, 4, and 5, you will explore various built-in data types. And along with this, you will also explore various control flow statements, such as conditional statements, and also loop control statements. Now moving on to section 6, you will learn how to define methods or functions in Dart and explore various types of functions, such as optional positional parameters, optional named parameters, and default parameters. Along with it, in the same section, you will learn how to present a function as expression by using the fat arrow notation. Then finally, in section 7, you will explore how to handle the exceptions and make your code robust in Dart. In the next section of 8 and 9, we will dive into the core programming concepts of Dart, such as object-oriented concepts. This includes getter and setter, special types of constructors present in Dart, and also how to implement inheritance in Dart. In the same section, you will understand various other concepts as well, such as how to perform polymorphism like method overriding, using named constructor, abstract classes and methods, and also how to implement interface in Dart. Proceeding in section 10, you will dive into performing functional programming. Similar to any other modern programming language, Dart has excellent support for functional programming. In Dart, we treat functions as first-class objects, so you will explore what are lambdas, higher-order functions, and also how to implement closures. Finally, in the last section, you will dive into Dart collection framework and see what is a list, map, and also the set. Also, you will see what is a queue, hash map, hash set, and linked list in Dart. Well, all of these sections will be covered with the help of demo videos. So to get the hands-on experience in each of these sections, we will see the code in action. For your convenience, the code files of each of the video has been provided in the description. So for each of the video, the code is made available for you, so that you can easily follow along with the course. And of course, I will always be there to guide you in case you enter into any difficulty during the course. Along with the videos and demo files in each of the section, you will get the quiz to analyze your understanding for each of the section. Now you might think, is there any prerequisite to take this course? Of course, yes. You need to be curious, full of enthusiasm, to make the most out of this course. If you have both of these, then come and join me.